Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not in focus. Oh my goodness, this is a struggle every day. Okay, there we go, we're in focus now. I have a package. I'm gonna show you my package. Let me get my knife. My brother got me a box cutter and is my most used Christmas gift. But I'm so excited. My gosh. So Say sent me another package. Excuse me. So every package comes with cotton balls. Oh my gosh, they sent me a bag. This is beautiful. This is just like another makeup skincare bag. Oh my gosh, it says Say on the side. That is a really, really good size. I've been looking for a new makeup bag, so I'm really, really excited for this one. It's a really good size. They sent over the Dew Balm in the shade Rosy Gold. I'm not into highlight as much. Ooh, that's really small. Very cute. A lot of liquid highlight. Oh my god. Excuse me, get out. I still have clothes in that bag, and she's just helping herself. Like, what is going on? Excuse me. Really? Anyway, well, here's a sneak peek of a haul that's either gone up or going up. Can you get out? Well, here, let me get these out of there then. There you go, is that better? Oh, I'm so excited about this. I've heard really good things about it. It's the Say Brow Butter. This is in the shade Blonde. I'm obsessed with these type of like brow application or applicators and stuff like that. I can't get it out of the packaging. But I got one from Merit and I'm obsessed with it. There we go. The packaging. I just love the simple packaging they all have. That is tiny. Holy smokes. That is a very tiny brush. So I wonder how that's gonna work. Maybe I'll try that out tomorrow. And I'm putting on my makeup because I actually have to go into work tomorrow. Today I'm just working from home. And then my favorite of all time, I already own this, so I might save this for a future giveaway. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed. But it's the Say Sun Visor and I love it. I have the tinted moisturizer which I use every single day. I used to use the Bare Minerals one every day and I just completely switched because it has a higher SPF and I love it. This is 35 SPF. It is a sheer moisturizer, so it is tinted, but it has a great like finish to it. It makes your skin look so healthy and dewy. I love it. I had another one and I gave it to my grandma because she has been looking for like, I'm pretty sure a tinted SPF. We were talking about powder SPF in the summertime. She was saying it was too like powdery and cakey, so I've heard, she says this is really good and it doesn't transfer on your mask, she said. So that is always a bonus. So that's really exciting. And then I also got a package from Zara, which I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna post a haul, but I just wanted to take a little sneak peek. Also, I ordered this on Saturday and it came. Like, that's crazy. Zara usually isn't like that. I usually don't like ordering from the website, but they had their sale, so. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, I'm so excited for this. Stay tuned. This is so nice. I'm so excited. Okay, I obviously need to get back to work and stop like romanticizing about clothing. So yeah, this is my little haul. I'm going to go back to work and I will talk to you guys later when I'm done. Vegetables and potatoes are in. I'm the only one who likes asparagus and potatoes, so that's why there's just a little bit, because it's just for me. Everyone else is having mashed potatoes. Drinking some wine. This is the one that my dad made, well, like with a wine company, but it's very good. So if you're making your own wine, make this one, because it's really good and you don't get a hangover if you finish the bottle, because there's been times where I finished the bottle, like girls' night or by myself. But I think there's less sulfur, or it's more of an organic wine. I don't really know. But all I know is it tastes good and it doesn't give you a hangover, so I'm all for it. So I'm gonna drink some of this, do some of the dishes, and then we'll eat later. Oh, Onion, you're so fuzzy. You Hello, it is the next day. I feel like I got hair everywhere. I'm just leaving work, and Tori Webster, YouTuber, blogger, actress from Toronto, actually she's a podcast too, just posted a free like Starbucks gift card on her stories, and I was like, oh my god. She posted 11 minutes ago, so I'm hoping there's still money on it, because I would freaking love a chai tea latte right now. That has just been my jam. Yeah, let's go. I'm back. Oh my god, I need to take these off. My eyes have been hurting so much. I think I've been staring at just too many screens. It's pretty bad. But I'm back, and there was money on the gift card, so I picked up a grande chai tea latte and I got it extra hot. So I've been back for about half an hour or so. I just had to unload so the footage previous, and I filmed a video last night, so I needed to get that footage out on my computer so I could film here. But I'm home and I have a couple packages, and naturally it's making herself at home. Yeah, I would always keep the door closed because I'm allergic to her, but for some reason my allergies haven't been super bad. So I was like, I'll just leave it open. Oh, I thought I got it. I did. Oh, okay. So it's from, I don't know how to say this. I'm gonna butcher it. Dr. Hauschka? Hauschka? I don't know, but I'm excited. They messaged me a couple weeks ago asking if I wanted to try out their new makeup. I actually used, before I get into their makeup, their products they sent a while ago, but their hair tonic spray, and then their hair oil, and their shampoo and conditioner, which is upstairs. Oh, so good. My hair is so soft using this hair tonic, so I'm gonna link that down below. I've only used the hair oil a couple times, so I can't say that it's amazing or anything like that, because I just not big on like hair masks or hair oils. I'm very simple and like pretty lazy. Like, I don't have to do extra steps to do it. Like shampoo and conditioner I'll just use in the shower. Hair tonic where I can spray on my damp hair and then leave it in. Like that works for me. But this you have to put on before going in the shower. So shake before use as a hair or scalp treatment, dampen the hair or the scalp and massage in the hair oil, wrap in a hair towel to work for 20 minutes, shampoo and rinse twice. So I've done it a couple times, but being completely honest, I am very lazy and don't really have time for that. The few times I've done it, like my hair was super soft, it smelled really nice. So if you love like all the self-care stuff and doing everything, maybe try this out. I'll obviously leave the links down below. But so anyway, so that's their hair care stuff, but they came out with some makeup. There's a box to play with. Ooh, this is cool. It's just like a little book. Oh, that's really cool. Ooh, look, there's a butt. Nice. It's really cool. So they have a bunch of like makeup. I think this is just their little like lookbook portfolio. So they sent over 3 lipsticks. Ooh, I really like that packaging. That is very, very chic. So this one is, it just says 22. So I'm assuming that's that shade. Ooh, that is a nice shade. That's very pink, but still good. Oh, this is like screaming spring so far. That is really, really nice. This one is 25. It's very nude. I don't know how that will... Oh, okay, that's not bad. That's pretty sheer. So that's pretty good. It's not as brown orange as I thought it was gonna be. So it's pretty good. And then this one is 26. That is nice. That is very much up my alley. I love that. Those are very pretty. Ooh, they smell so nice. I don't know what that is, but that smells amazing. Great review, Emily. So that's really exciting. Thank you so much for sending that over. And then another one I got, I'm going to cover up my address here. Where is it? I'm not allowed to open it until March 17th for St. Patrick's Day. It says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." Has a little sticker on there. It says, "Taste the rainbow." It's really cute. So I guess subscribe and follow me on Instagram. So on the March 17th, you can figure out with me what's in here. I'm really excited. I really want to open it now, but I guess I have to wait. Whoa! I opened that package because I couldn't wait. I can't lie. I opened that package that said like wait till St. Patty's Day. These are so cute, and I'm kind of glad I did because I want to share it with you guys. If you are Canadian, I think it's just Canadian. I don't know if she ships elsewhere. But Brendan and I are going back and forth analyzing yesterday's episode of Snowpiercer. Let me know if you watched that show on Netflix. It's really good. She says free shipping within Canada, so maybe you can do it in the States as well. She has an Etsy shop, so I'm gonna leave it down below. But these are just super cute. Taste the Rainbow. Oh, I like that one. That's one of my favorites so far. This is so cute. So I'm excited for these. I think I'm gonna have just a little green beer party with my family. These are so stinking cute. I'm kind of glad I opened it before the 17th so I can share it with you guys. So I'm gonna leave that in the descriptions. You can go check it out. But yeah, I just thought it was super cute and I wanted to share it. That's all. I might actually just end the vlog here because I don't know what I'd film tomorrow after work, and then Friday is just another jam-packed day that I probably won't film anything. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much. I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. I will talk to you guys soon. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video.